Every time we say goodbye.
Hi guys, how are you doing, and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, what I will be doing mainly is to deep clean the bedroom, like thorough clean it, because each and everything needs to be cleaned today, including the duvet. It really needs to, I really need to wash it because it has been a while. So it will just be me wiping down each and every surface, just, ensuring that I get to at least touch each and every place in this bedroom, so that at least it can be dust free. Because I'm telling you the truth, if you would have been in this room, you would have seen what I'm talking about. But anyway guys, let me get into it, and I hope you enjoy the video. So I've already removed the bedding and also the duvet from the duvet cover. And first of all, I want to start by washing the duvet, so that at least it dries by the time evening comes, so that at least I get something to use for, to cover ourselves. So that is what I want to get to now. First, put the duvet in the washing machine and let it be washed as I tackle other areas.
Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will.
By the way guys, I tend to use vinegar a lot when doing laundry, because it helps in whitening and brightening them, and also it helps in reducing the odors, and also to soften the clothes. Mostly when doing the whites, I use vinegar a lot, and in some cases I also normally use the baking soda, but unfortunately for today I did not have baking soda, so I will just use the vinegar and the detergent that I have.
Happier tonight. Kept me waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a happier. Every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
So guys, do you remember last week, in our last video, when I asked you if you'd love it if we had like 2 videos in a week? A number of you actually got back to me and told me that it would be a good idea, and I am also considering it. But for this week I could not be able to do that. I was actually supposed to post on Wednesday and Friday, but unfortunately I was unable to. But I'm working so much towards that, so that maybe in the coming weeks we'll be having 2 videos in a week. But for now, you'll just have to bear with me as I do this. So guys, fortunately the duvet cycle is done. So right now what I want to do is to wash the bedding that I've just removed from the bed, and then I think that's the only laundry that I'll do today, just our bedding, and then that will be it. So guys, I'm finally done, and I'm so happy that I got to do this, because at least tonight I will sleep on a clean bed with clean bedding and a fresh bedroom, like dust free. I'm so happy I got to do this, and thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And for the duvet cover, it has not yet dried, so while I'm waiting for it, I just did spread the bed and just left it like that. I'll bring it in later, and yeah. So guys, I think that's it for me today, and thank you so much. For those who are new here, my name is Phoebe Monica, and this channel is all about home cleaning, home organization, and home decor. And if that is the kind of content that you are interested in, please do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in my next one.